we'll guide you through how to use labels in Trello, making your project management more organized and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop by navigating to Trello.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, choose the board where you want to add labels. Labels are a great way to visually categorize and prioritize your cards, making it easier to track tasks at a glance. To add a label, click on any card to open it. On the right side, you'll see a menu. Click on Labels. Here, you can see existing labels or create new ones. To add an existing label, simply click the checkbox next to the color or name. To create a new label, click on Create a new label. Choose a color and give it a name that makes sense for your project, like Urgent or In Progress. Click Create to add it to your list of labels. Once you've created or selected a label, it will appear on your card, making it easy to identify its priority or category. You can even use multiple labels on a single card to represent different aspects of that task. To filter cards by label, go back to the board view and click the Filter Cards button at the top. Select the labels you want to filter by. This will display only the cards with those labels, allowing you to focus on specific tasks. Remember, using labels effectively can greatly improve your workflow by making your boards clearer and more organized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.